Try
What
some.
do you think? Come on.
Cheyenne. Look, yum, 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 yum. Go like this, go like this.
You taste it?
Mmm.
That's good. Is that Nana's cake?
Is that good? Cheyenne. There it is.
Oh, yum.
Is that good? And she's like, I don't like it on my hand. Yeah, right there, on your hand. Take some.
Yum. Yum. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, can I get your hand? Let's see if I can get your hand. Cheyenne. Put that one back in the cake.
Yeah. Yum. You taste it?
You're like, I don't like this. I'm naked outside.
Is that good, Big?
Try it. It's okay.
It's okay.
Come here. Your mom will help you.
Oh, it's okay.
You get some cake. Look. Get some cake. Ooh, cake. What's that taste good? Get some more. Get some more.
She's like, Mommy, that's your job.
Take
Look
a
at
bite. A bite?
Get some more cake.
Get some more cake. Mmm.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Bite. What a big bite.
Is that good, Cheyenne?
Delicious.
She's like, I figured it out. I like it now. I really do.
That's good, huh?
Cheyenne.
Uh-oh.
Now she's addicted to cake.
Yum. Careful.
Oh, careful.
Oh.
Bite.
Is that good, Cheyenne?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Are you all done?
All done. Can I get your...
Bite?
Hold on one second. Let's see if we can get the hand open. Where's the
Oh.
Oh.
She's like, why are you taking a picture of me? I'm crying.
We're gonna put some on your lips. No, are you not done? You're not very messy with it.
Your tutu is.
Yeah.
Well done. I think we got
Oh,
it.
I think we
Biggie.
got it. And I have to admit, even you crying with the cake is cute.
Yeah. All right.
There it is.